Nay.
Last question, 7 person in the room.
The only who should in the room. What's up, Whitey? Guys, welcome back to another interesting and exciting video. Guys, change of location. As you can see, we are in the bathroom. You can tell from the topic, this is the water challenge. So this is our turn to film the water challenge. My younger sister is here, my kid sister. She's back from school, so I said let me use her as usual to film this video before she leaves me again. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So welcome back guys. So if this is welcome back. So guys, if this is your first time see my face, my name is Abena Boatima. I'm a Ghanaian based YouTuber in the Nest. Your next YouTuber, no size. With me is Jennifer, my kid says. So guys, so the other challenge is simple. We'll ask each other questions, and the one who gets it wrong will be ponded. Yes. So we have our water here. Our bucket of water here. So let's start. So ask me the first question.
Oh, you first.
Oh, ask. And now okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay. What was my score in BEC? When I wrote my BEC, what was my score?
I'm not trying.
It's a question. What was my score?
10.
Wrong. Ask.
Simple. What's my favorite color?
My name is Pink. Pink. This girl lacks manners. Nene.
Black and peach.
You didn't follow me now. Color me black and peach.
Previous videos, my dear. Bakanda.
Okay. Where's Makanda? Which country? Which country do I want to travel to? I've said it in one of my videos.
Oh. Canada. Italy.
Wrong.
Oh, why?
Oh, you said Canada. Canada. Wait. So I'll give it to her because she said Canada first. So ask.
Okay.
Guys, she has spotted me.
I've asked before. When did I complete JHS?
Nothing as in now.
Yeah.
You're 2021. 2021 now, no. 2019. 2019. We're going to 2019. 2019. Jennifer.
Oh.
Oh, fun. Okay. 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 What was my best subject in nursing school? Where the oh yeah, okay.
Family planning.
Family planning. Guys. She said family planning. Wrong. It wasn't family planning. It was anatomy and physiology. Ask.
What's my dream invest?
Hey, what is that?
Let's go.
What is how you guys you see the cheating? It's Legon. She's cheating.
It's
Okay. Okay. What car? What car? What is my dream car?
Benz.
Guys, it's true. Benz. This guy.
Third or fourth question?
Fourth. Oh.
If you know we're wrong, it's in farmer. My date of birth. Maybe that's one on the rock. What is it?
And yeah, May 27th.
The 7th what?
May 27th May. Me can year no 27th May. Me cha.
Hey, and then first one got 24th. 25th.
And then they will be true. You see, you know be cherry that will be. Her birthday is 27th May, so I'm telling you guys in case Abiba. So final question. Final question. So do I want to live abroad permanently?
No. You just want to go there to work and come back, because last time you said I was asleep, but I heard you said Ghana is very sweet. So yeah.
Guys, she got it. I don't want to live there permanently. I want to go and hustle, make it, bring back the money and invest in my country, Ghana. 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 So the last question. Give it to me.
My dream country?
Your dream country? I am Ghana. And Ghana, there's no place like home. Okay, aside Ghana. Aside Ghana. US.
No.
Which
I'm wrong. Last question is a person in the room.
The only who should in the room. Me chance. Guys, now do you see that this girl lacks manners? She is mannerless. Hey, your big sister, a whole me, a whole Abena Boatima. Guys, I have disowned her.
So this is the end of the video.
You've disgraced me in front of the whole world. So end the video. So guys, this is the end of the video. Right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right? We'll see you in another video.
Bye bye.
I'm going to have my bath. The grassy,